Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because today we're breaking down one of the most confusing questions in tech: is AI to machine learning like deep learning is to neural networks? That's actually a great question, but before we jump into deep learning and neural networks, we need to set the foundation and understand the hierarchy. So let's get started. What is artificial intelligence? At its core, artificial intelligence, AI, is simple. We want computers to behave like humans. Think about it, humans can recognize patterns, make decisions, and learn from experience. AI is all about giving machines those same abilities. What is machine learning? Now let's go one level deeper. With machine learning, we feed computers data, tons of it, and expect them to learn from it. Imagine this: you give a system data. It analyzes that data. Then it comes up with conclusions or predictions. For example, let's say John is building a system to predict house prices. He feeds in data like location, size, number of rooms. The system learns patterns and starts predicting prices on its own. But here's the catch: we usually guide it using techniques like supervised learning, constantly adjusting the data so the model improves over time. What is deep learning? Now let's go even deeper, literally. Deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning. Instead of us guiding the system step by step, we give it raw data, let it figure things out on its own. It automatically discovers patterns, relationships, and insights, without much human intervention. This is where things start to feel almost human. DNA emoji, neural networks explained. So how does deep learning actually work? That's where neural networks come in. These are systems inspired by the human brain. Back in high school biology, you probably learned about neurons. They send signals, they communicate through connections. Neural networks simulate this exact idea. Here's how they work: inputs the data you provide, hidden layers where the magic happens, outputs the final result. Each layer processes information and passes it forward, just like neurons firing in the brain. Gear emoji, how neural networks learn. Inside these networks, every node is connected, each connection has a weight. The system learns which paths are better over time. As it processes more data, it adjusts these weights to improve accuracy. Think of it like learning from mistakes, just faster and at a massive scale. Repeat emoji, types of neural networks. Let's look at 3 common types. 1. Feed-forward neural networks. Data moves from input to output in one direction. Simple and widely used. 2. Backpropagation, learning algorithm. This is how the network learns: it checks errors, adjusts weights, improves with each iteration. 3. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs. These are powerful for image-related tasks. For example, one layer detects colors, another detects edges, another identifies shapes, until finally, it can say, this is a cat or this is a car. Africa emoji, real-world use cases. Here's the crazy part: this technology is everywhere. 1. Computer vision. Apps that recognize faces, scan documents, or analyze images. 2. Speech recognition. When you talk to Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, that's AI in action. 3. Natural language processing, NLP. Systems that understand and respond to human language, like chatbots. 4. Recommendation systems. Ever noticed how Netflix or Amazon seems to know what you like? That's AI analyzing your behavior and suggesting content or products. Rocket emoji, final thoughts. So here's the big picture: AI is the broad goal, making machines act like humans. Machine learning is how we train them with data. Deep learning is a powerful method using neural networks. Neural networks are the brain-like structures that make it all possible. Understanding this hierarchy helps you see how everything connects, and how powerful this technology really is. Bell emoji, outro. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple, powerful tech breakdowns just like this. And let me know in the comments, what topic should we cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Understanding the practical applications of these technologies is essential as they revolutionize industries. For instance, in healthcare, AI aids in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images, while in finance, machine learning algorithms help detect fraudulent transactions, ensuring safety for consumers across the globe. Moreover, the entertainment sector thrives on recommendation systems that curate experiences tailored to individual preferences, making content consumption more engaging. As we dive deeper into AI, recognizing its pervasive impact on various domains enriches our comprehension of its significance in our everyday lives. Understanding the practical applications of these technologies is essential as they revolutionize industries. For instance, in healthcare, AI aids in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images, while in finance, machine learning algorithms help detect fraudulent transactions, ensuring safety for consumers across the globe. So, as we move forward, always remember that embracing and understanding AI's capabilities empowers us to navigate an ever-evolving technological landscape, unlocking potential and fostering innovation that can enhance our lives for the better. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI.